Welcome to another video, guys, and today we're gonna be playing Gorilla Tag. Yes! And as you saw in the other short, yeah, that's what I created. I was collabing with two people. He's not one of them because he doesn't have a YouTube channel. And if he does, I would collab with him. And then, I'm gonna kiss you. Anyways, we're just gonna be playing Gorilla Tag or other games like Animal Company because I am very bored right now. So yeah, we're gonna be making videos because why not? I'm bored. So yeah, and I want some editing time. Okay, while talking to friends, and then this, and then that, and this, they do da ding 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 ding. What the? Buddy, I will slap your dodoy. Easy. In the arms of... Anyways. Easy.
Oh God.
In the arms of... Anyways, let's just get into the video and play some mini games, Griffin mini games, and then this and that. Ooh! Oh my God! Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so me and Butterbear are gonna be playing Animal Company, the most big gyatt game. You wanna know why I said that? Turn around, Butterbear. Yeah! Anyways, yeah, this game is called Animal Company, as you can see from the game. And this game is mostly about getting money. As watches, you can speak to these. They work like you know, walkie-talkies. And you get money from putting bananas in there and eggs. And this game is basically just about cursed things that is really funny. Would you stop going behind me, you monkey? Stop trying to slap my gyatts, bro. Trying to slap my gyat! And yeah, we're just gonna do all of this and yeah, have a fun time. So whatever, what are we gonna get, bro? And I'm gonna give you a bag.
Yeah, give me a bag too. I'm poor. I only have $14.
Okay, buddy.
I'm not lying. Look.
Alright, bro. Come on. I'm gonna be the first one.
Jay. Oh no. No, Jay, help me. Remember me.
Put the bag on there. Put the bag on there and then let go.
It'll still blow.
In the arms of... Oh no! Remember me. Oh yeah, well, what's good?
Give me my backpack.
Why did you step on it, man?
I didn't. I was just walking and I heard it. It was under the sand. Yo, what? Nah, that's not how you do it, Jay. Look. Jay, come here. No, not that lane. This way. The egg way.
The two little eggs went.
Can I be the best of the rest? Cause I'm gyatt.
I'm gonna slap your butt. Oh hell no! Oh my God! Why you gotta chase me? Don't chase me, Daddy! Get the fucking get the egg! Get the egg! Put it in the bag. Put it in your bag. Don't put it in the machine yet. We're gonna get more stuff so we can get more money easily.
Get the gold thing.
Yes. Come on.
Wait for me. Damn. Why you after me? I have the egg. I need help. ASAP.
Why is that? What happened?
Run! Did you get the gold?
Yes, I did. Oh my god! Oh nowhere! I died.
2,000 years later.
I think we lost them.
No. You monster.
You think you're the D? You're not even the heart. Bruh. Easy skill, bro.
Get my bag, get my bag. And then take all the stuff and put it, and then get your bag. I'll distract you.
Get the I got them, I got them, I got them, I got them.
I'll get my bag.
Blah, 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 blah.
How you doing?
Some Bubba Grill. Oh my god.
Give me my bag, give me my bag.
Easy juke, let's go. I got you.
The guy wait.
There's nothing here. Oh.
Cause I get dropped. Give me.
It's in here.
Give me.
See?
It is. It's right there. Close it.
Oh my.
Give me my backpack.
Let me put it behind you. Could I do?
Alright.
No,
Wait, you wanna see if there's more?
I'm good, man.
Come on, Jay. Jay, come on.
Come on.
Behind you.
I only have a certain amount of time.
Just wanted to see if there's any extra stuff.
Alright, come on.
There's. I know how we can get there faster. Come here. Brother, did you get the stuff? The egg will be lost.
This is Jay speaking. Is Butterbear alive?
No, I died.
How many times?
1, 2, 3.
I gotta stop early because I'll die.